Good day everyone, I am Cloud Kian Ibanez and today we will be discussing estate tax here in the Philippines. So what is estate tax here in the Philippines? Let's read. Estate tax is a type of tax imposed on the transfer of the estate of a deceased person. The estate includes all property, rights, and obligations left behind by the deceased. So meaning to say, even when you die, your tax obligations, ironically, doesn't end there. So your loved ones will pay for the tax that you left them. So first, let's talk about its practical implications. Number 1, valuation of the estate. It's said here that accurate valuation of the deceased estate is crucial, including real estate, personal items, and financial assets. Properly accounting for debts and liabilities can significantly reduce the taxable value of the estate, affecting the estate tax calculations. You know, it's very important for us to know how much does our assets and liabilities really costs. That way, the government will impose the right amount of taxes for us to pay. And that same goes for our estate tax. I don't know what you'll do with that information, but hire some professionals and let them do the calculations for you. That way, there's a possibility that you will pay less taxes. So let's move on. Filing and payment of estate tax. Estate tax returns must be filed with the BIR within 1 year from the date of death. And there are some ways in which we can pay our taxes to the BIR. It can be through cash, bank transfers, check, and in certain conditions, you can arrange some installment payment. And now let's talk about deductions and exemptions. Allowable deductions from the gross estate include funeral expenses, judicial expenses, medical expenses, and debts. You know, certain assets such as the family home up to a specified value and specific government bonds may be exempt from this estate tax. And of course, this is a law, so there are some penalties for non-compliance. Late filing and payment of estate tax incur penalties and interest charges, increasing the financial burden on the estate. Significantly understanding the value of the estate can result in additional penalties, making accurate reporting essential. So it's very essential that we report the right thing to the officials. Otherwise, there will be some consequences like interest or in some worst cases, jail time. So to further understand everything up, my friend Lorenzo prepared an example for us today. So let's say there's a guy, old guy. His name is JJ and he has 4 children. Let's say he passes away. He left behind a house, bank accounts, and other properties. JJ's children or lawfully heirs are set to inherit these assets. Now, the Philippine government will impose an estate tax on the total value of JJ's estate before the assets can be legally transferred to his children. Now, this ensures that the state collects revenue from the transfer of wealth. So that's why earlier I was saying that your tax obligations doesn't end even when you're dead. That's why it's very important that we have a solid plan on how we cannot or at least lessen the burden of these people that will be left behind with the properties that they will inherit from us. So what is the conclusion of our discussion today? The estate tax in the Philippines ensures that a portion of the deceased's estate is paid to the government before the remaining assets are distributed to their lawful heirs and beneficiaries. This tax is crucial for generating public revenue and is an important consideration in estate planning. So to better understand what estate tax really is, I'm going to give you a very layman's term example. So basically, it's just a thing that you pay to the government in order for you to get the inheritance of your deceased benefactor. And that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. It may be short, it's not that hard to understand, and I hope you learned something new. And that's all. Bye-bye.